In 3 seconds, this system will vanish from every known sensor. Completely invisible.
8 to 5 kilometers per hour. Silent, autonomous, and about to prove itself.
Ground radar sweeps the sky searching, but Ghost signature is smaller than a bird.
Can't track it.
Onboard sensors detect movement. Artificial intelligence identifies the target. Lock achieved. Autonomously.
But it's not just one system. Ghost operates in coordinated swarms. Ghost doesn't just strike and leave. It loiters for hours, watching, waiting. Mission complete. Ghost returns home, autonomously, perfectly, every time.
You just saw what Ghost can do. But how is something this advanced actually made? Let me show you the secrets.
What you're looking at shouldn't exist. And how it's made, you won't believe it.
I'm Alex Carter. Today we enter the most restricted aerospace facility on Earth. What they build here is designed to vanish.
Project Ghost begins with materials that defy physics. Carbon fiber impregnated with radar-absorbent compounds.
Millions of ferrite particles engineered to trap radar. They dissipate energy as heat instead of reflecting it.
Each layer must be exactly 0.3 millimeters. Too thick increases radar return. Too thin causes failure. Vacuum consolidation removes every air molecule. The cure cycle cannot begin until this is perfect. The autoclave transforms liquid resin into solid. Heat and pressure for 6 hours create aerospace composite.
170 Celsius. 6 atmospheres of pressure for 6 hours straight.
Molecular transformation creates strength beyond steel, yet lighter than aluminum by half.
The composite is cured but far from finished. This 5-axis CNC machines to 10 micrometers. Watch.
Diamond tooling carves this composite with absolute precision. Regular bits would be destroyed in seconds.
Every angle calculated to scatter radar waves. These facets work like stealth fighter skin.
No longer carbon and resin. Now it's a radar-defeating aerospace structure.
The skeleton is aerospace alloy 7075. Stronger than steel, yet remarkably light.
Weight is the enemy. Every gram matters. 60% lighter while retaining full strength.
Anodizing creates ceramic protection harder than the metal. Completely corrosion-proof at the molecular level. From raw metal to aerospace component. Now comes the critical part, inspection. Every dimension verified against the digital model. One error means scrapping the entire part.
Hundreds of precision components ready. Now they must become one seamless system.
This is where engineering becomes art. Every connection must be perfect. Up there, there's no second chances.
This epoxy is stronger than the materials it bonds and cures at room temperature.
If you're fascinated by impossible manufacturing, subscribe to Assembly Secrets. The really incredible part is coming.
Positioning must be exact to sub-millimeter accuracy. Once contact is made, there's no repositioning. Clamping pressure must be perfectly uniform. Too much deforms it. Too little, the bond fails. 24 hours to reach full bond strength. Chemistry cannot be rushed. The bond line should be nearly invisible. UV inspection confirms no voids. Flawless.
Structure is only half the challenge. Ghost needs eyes, ears, and a brain. Welcome to avionics integration.
These sensors detect thermal signatures from kilometers away. Assembly requires micro-positioning. This guidance computer fits in your palm, yet has more power than early spacecraft.
Stop.
Something's wrong. One chip could mean total guidance failure. How do you fix it?
At this scale, human hands are too crude. Solder melts just enough without board damage. Perfect alignment achieved. Crisis averted. Manufacturing continues. Reflow oven precisely controls temperature across zones. Too hot damages. Too cool weakens. Hardware becomes intelligent in this moment. Guidance software uploads. The system awakens.
All those precision components find their purpose here. Every sensor, every circuit, every element becomes Project Ghost.
The avionics bay is Ghost's nerve center. Every connector secured against extreme vibration. Sensors must be perfectly flush with the surface. 1 millimeter disrupts airflow and radar signature. Electric propulsion. Silent. No thermal signature whatsoever. Mounted on isolators for acoustic stealth. Dozens of specialists. Hundreds of hours. All converging toward this moment of completion.
Building Ghost is one thing. Proving it works is entirely another. This is where stealth becomes measurable.
Ghost complete for the first time. Every surface, every angle designed to vanish. Watch. Radar transmitting at multiple frequencies. Look at the return. Barely detectable. Acoustic signature matters as much as radar. At speed, Ghost is quieter than wind noise. Acoustic signature matters as much as radar. At speed, Ghost is quieter than wind noise. Electric propulsion means minimal thermal signature. No hot exhaust. Thermally invisible.
GPS and inertial navigation navigate autonomously. Meter-level accuracy achieved.
Optical sensors provide real-time awareness. Ghost actively avoids obstacles without human input. Structure must withstand forces exceeding normal flight. At 150%, no deformation.
Wait, something's wrong. Unexpected vibration developing in flight. If it's resonance, Ghost could fail.
Structure must withstand forces exceeding normal flight. At 150%, no deformation. Modal analysis pinpoints the problem quickly. One motor mount isolator resonating at wrong frequency. Solution: isolator with higher damping coefficient. It absorbs vibrations instead of amplifying them.
Vibration completely eliminated. Ghost flies smoother than ever. Problem solved.
Every test passed. What started as materials and engineering is now fully operational stealth technology.
Before demonstration, complete pre-flight check mandatory. 47 items, nothing left to chance. Transportation requires same precision as manufacturing. Every surface protected. Every component secured. Remote test range provides space and security for validation. Ghost will demonstrate everything here. Battery, communications, telemetry, all verified. Catapult accelerates Ghost to flight speed in 2 seconds.
All systems go.
Perfect launch. Immediate autonomous flight transition. Flight control system is flawless.
Autonomous navigation working exactly as designed. Every waypoint within a meter of target. Ground radar struggles to maintain any track. Ghost appears briefly, then vanishes.
Perfect.
Listen, or rather, try to. At 100 meters, Ghost is quieter than a whisper. Silent.
Loitering capability is where Ghost truly excels. Position held automatically despite wind changes.
This is it. Everything comes together. Autonomous target detection and lock. Years of engineering.
Validated.
After mission, Ghost returns home autonomously, landing as precise as launch. No human input.
Every test passed. But we're not done. Subscribe to see Ghost at absolute limits. Extreme testing is coming.
Operational environments can be extreme. This simulates Arctic cold to desert heat.
-40 Celsius freezes most electronics. Ghost's systems function perfectly regardless.
Now the opposite extreme, 55 degrees Celsius. Passive cooling keeps components safe. High humidity and dust are nightmares for electronics. Sealed enclosures protect critical components.
Vibration simulates turbulent air and rough transport. Ghost survives forces far beyond normal flight. External inspection isn't enough. We see inside. Ultrasonic NDT reveals no internal damage whatsoever. Electromagnetic interference cripples unshielded electronics. Full shielding means intense RF doesn't affect them.
Every extreme test completed successfully. Ghost exceeds all performance requirements.
From raw materials to operational system, every component precisely engineered, every challenge overcome.
The numbers tell the story of precision. 447 components working as one.
Innovation at every stage of manufacturing. Materials, machining, electronics, software.
Engineering challenges were immense, balancing stealth, performance, and manufacturability. Every decision was calculated.
The engineering enables capabilities previously impossible. Long endurance, low signature, full autonomy.
This facility has transformed materials into technology. Every machine, every technician, every process.
Behind every precision component are skilled professionals. Their expertise makes the impossible possible.
Project Ghost represents manufacturing at its peak. Precision, innovation, and validation. This is what's possible.
From liquid resin to autonomous flight, every step a testament to engineering excellence.
This is what Assembly Secrets is all about. Revealing the hidden world of manufacturing. The secrets behind impossible things. Secrets behind impossible things.
Next time on Assembly Secrets, we uncover something even more extraordinary.
If you want more manufacturing mysteries revealed, subscribe and hit the notification bell. There's so much more to uncover.
Join us next time on Assembly Secrets, where manufacturing meets mystery.